How to set a picture as a wallpaper on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually set a picture as a wallpaper on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, setting a picture as a wallpaper on your iPhone is very simple. Maybe you've downloaded something in your Photos app and there is a certain picture that you might want to set as a wallpaper. It's actually quite simple to do so. You can either swipe down from the top left over here like this and then just long press like this to come to this page, or you can just lock your screen and unlock it just like this and then just long press on it, and then you'll see this type of interface where you can just tap on customize here. Now when you tap on customize, you'll be able to customize this wallpaper, but since we don't want to do that, we want to use a custom wallpaper from our photos. From the bottom, tap the plus icon instead, and over here you can see all of the suggested photos that iOS is actually going to give you by default, so you can use one of these if you prefer. Otherwise, you can tap the photos icon from the very top of the screen and select any of the other photos saved in your gallery that you might want to use as a wallpaper, and once done, tap on add option and you'll be able to set that as your wallpaper. This way you'll be able to actually set a picture as a wallpaper on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.